Welcome to today's tutorial on Bright Surveyors Connect. On this tutorial, I'll be making a series on how to create route survey using Civil 3D 2023. To do this, I have highlighted some steps. First of all, we'll make a point which we will import in the Civil 3D. After that, we will create an alignment. Then we create a surface. Then we create a sample line. We create an assembly. Then we create a section, which is a cross section. Then we create a report, engineering report. So to do this, first of all, we have to create the points. To create the points which we use for this tutorial sake, we'll be using Google Earth to create or import the point which we need. I have digitized this point as a story area. To digitize, for example, to digitize a point or a place, you click on this ruler which is on the top of the screen. You click on parts, then you start marking the point which you want to digitize. This is how you mark the point. Then you save the points that you want to digitize, which I have done here, and I have saved it as road KMZ. Then I save it to my system. Ctrl S. I save it as road tutorial. Save. Yes. Now we close our global mapper, or let's minimize it. We open our global mapper. Close our Google, then we open our global mapper. Now we have opened I'm using Global Mapper Pro 23.0, which is the latest Global Mapper 2022. So as I open the Global Mapper, I'll click on Open Data File. I saved my KML or KMZ file at my desktop on a folder called, this is the folder called Route Survey Tutorial. So let's open it. We click on the road tutorial, open. So this is our road network as it goes. Now I want to convert this point to KMZ to XYZ format. To do that, I click on connect to online. I need to connect to online to get the height of this area, study area. To do that, I click on connect to online. What I need is the dem file. Then I specify the study or the place which I want. I draw a box. Let me draw a good one so that, okay, this is the good box. Then we click on OK. Click on OK. Then click on connect. Now we have generated a dem file. Now we click on this, on the icon, which is, this is called the overlay control center. You can on and off, we can off and on the overlay control center here. So we right click on the road tutorial or the drawing that we imported, the KMZ file drawing that we imported. Then we click on layer, click on export to new file, click on both, then click on OK. We want to export it as text file. But before that, if you can see from here, our coordinate system is in lat long, which is not supposed, so we have to convert it to UTM, or to a very desirable coordinate system. We click on the tool. This is the tool, configure tool. We go to projection, we click on projection. Under the projection, we change this to UTM, U. Then we change the zone to 32. We change the datum to Mina datum, Mina datum, which is Nigeria, which is what we are using. You can change it to your own desired coordinate system. Then we click on apply, then we click on OK. Now we can now export this as XYZ, export to new file. Then we click on OK. Make sure you select text file. There are many formats, but I'm selecting the text file. I leave the coordinate separator as comma, the feature separator nothing, none. I want the easting to come before the nothing, so I leave X. Then coordinate precision 3 decimal place. I want to export the elevation, so I don't want to include any feature, but I just need the XYZ. Then I click on OK. Then I click on, then I save my data. I can save it as road tutorial. Let's save it as road tutorial, route survey. Then click on save. Let's open the folder. This is the folder. This is the one which I saved, route survey. So as you can see, I've imported the points. The next thing I'm to do now is to import this point to my Civil 3D, which is what we have to do, import points. So you open your Civil 3D, which I've opened. I'm using Civil 3D 2023. If you have 20, it depends on the Civil 3D you're using. If you're using 2018, 16, 2020, you can get Civil 3D from Get Into PC websites.